case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a riveting legal battle centered on the interpretation of a contract, the motel owner Dwight John squared off against United Advertising, Inc. in the Supreme Court. The contention revolved around whether the agreement with United Advertising for erecting outdoor advertisement signs was meant to be a unified contract or dissected into separate parts. In 1968, Dwight John arranged for United Advertising to build and upkeep 7 outdoor signs promoting his businesses. He agreed to remunerate them with a steady monthly fee of $95 spanning 3 years. However, John soon claimed United Advertising failed in upholding their end of the deal, neglecting the construction and maintenance of 2 key signs. The resulting shortfall in advertisements, John argued, had caused damages in the amount of $10,655. Delving into the complexities of the case, the trial court determined United Advertising indeed violated the agreement. However, they also noted John's failure to provide adequate proof of damages. The defining factor boiled down to whether the disputed contract was considered entire or severable, thus influencing the extent of the recovery damages. Interestingly, the court decided the contract was severable, signifying that John could only claim damages for the incorrectly implemented signs, tallying to a mere $120. Despite the initial dismissal of John's claims, the appellant court revoked the trial court's decision, siding with John. This unusual turn of events saw Chief Justice Moore, Justice Sutton, and Justice Pringle unanimously agreeing, signaling a win for Dwight John. This case underscores the significance of the contract interpretation in determining judicial verdicts and recuperation of damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.